traditionally, in the medical industry, we've been using these shears, which are pretty much disposable. They cut alright. Plastic and made in Pakistan, these two are. But today, we're gonna unbox the Leatherman Raptor, made in the USA. Let's use this to unbox the Raptor. Comes in a nice sturdy piece of plastic. Let's rip this open. Weight-wise, it's probably 2 to 3 times as heavy, but the build quality is definitely there. Little emergency user's guide. And here's the holster it comes with. So it looks like it has a little ruler to help measure wounds or other such things. And there's a little button to fold, this triangle button to fold it into place. Let's see how you do it. Oh, okay, so it goes one at a time. And I guess it would fit into the holster like this. And there's a little seatbelt cutter right here. It's a little seatbelt cutter. And this is a little oxygen tank key. And then you push this button to put it back into place. You can still use it separately. There's also a ring cutter too. See this little portion in the back? When you open and close it, that's where you can also cut a ring. We'll demonstrate. Clip. Really sturdy clip. Let's fold this back into place. Fold this back into place. Here we have a glass breaking tip. This we will also demonstrate in another video how it works. But let's also demonstrate today a penny. This will cut a penny. Let's see how easy it is to cut a penny. It's really, I mean, it cuts, but it's very difficult to cut. I mean, it cuts. Let's try this one. There's no serrated edges. It's probably not even going to cut at all. Barely. But now, let's try the Leatherman Raptor. You can see serrated edges all the way through versus the traditional ones, also serrated edges, but the metal's a lot thinner. Let's see. Yep, easier. A lot easier to cut. A lot easier to cut. Alright, so that's the Leatherman Raptor.